Good morning, students. Yesterday we have learnt space lattice and crystal lattice. Okay. So, what is the space lattice? What is the space lattice? The arrangement of space particles, means the arrangement of particles of a solid in a three-dimensional way. The regular arrangement of particle in three-dimensional way is called as crystal lattice. And the smallest complete three-dimensional unit of the crystal lattice is called as unit cell. So we have drawn yesterday different types of crystal lattice in two-dimensional. Now one we have drawn so far. First one is that square crystal lattice. Okay, square. Second one is rectangular. And third one is parallelogram. Parallelogram. And third one is, fourth one is rhombus. And the fifth one is, this one is hexagon. Understand? Now let me see how is the hexagonal crystal lattice formation takes place. Very simple. You have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With equal distance we have to take the crystal particles, means lattice points. Understand, in space. Now see here, while we are going to draw hexagonal crystal lattice, we have to remember very important that the distance between these particles should be similar. Okay, they should not be various. Understand? Now when we taking the second row, we have to take the second row in between the gap of the first row, means exactly between the gap of the, means here. This is the second row. Okay. Same 5. Now the third row repeats the first row. Okay. Now see here, we are going to draw hexagonal. Whether hexagonal, do you know the structure of hexagon? See here. So see here, this is the hexagonal crystal lattice and this unit cell is called as hexagonal unit cells. So these are the types of crystal lattices and unit cells present in these crystal lattices. Suppose the two dimension of hexagonal crystal lattice is this one and the unit cell which is present in this one is hexagonal unit cell. Now we have discussed yesterday what is the unit cell. Okay, the smallest part of the crystal lattice and three-dimensional part of the crystal lattice is called as unit cell. Now see here, there are different types of unit cells. Basically unit cells are 7 types. Again these 7 types of unit cell divided into 14 types. Okay, so yesterday I have given clear definition, that is what is primitive unit cell or what is simple unit cell. Okay, or what is centered unit cells. Basically unit cell divided into 2 types. Now see, this one I am going to draw another one. Now see here, one in a space, I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the lattice points. Understand? Now see here, we are drawing a unit cell. Okay. Now again we are going to draw rhombus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see here. So this is called as rhombus unit cell. Understand? Now see here what is different between this unit cell and this unit cells. Now see here, if we come to this unit cell, there are 4 corners. See here, these are the corners. Means the lattice points mean the particle which presents in solids. Lattice points means the particle, constituent particle. Suppose if you take this chalk, the particles, dust particles, like that. Any solids consist of different types of particles. Now these particles located fixed at corners only. There is no particle in between this unit cell. Is there any particle inside this space? No. But see here, when we take this rhombus, okay, what happened in this unit cell? Now the lattice points are located corner as well as in between, means middle of the unit cells. Means there are 2 types of unit cell. The unit cell where the lattice points located only corners. Okay, they located only corners. Suppose if we take, this is the unit cell, this chalk box is the unit cell. Now the points located here in this corner, in this corner, in this corner and in this corner, but not on this face. Okay, so such unit cell is called as primitive unit cell or primitive. Or simple. Primitive or simple unit cells. But these unit cells, see, we take example. Here one particle presents, here one particle presents. If we take this as rhombus like this. This corner shows this one, this corner shows this one, and this corner this one, and this corner this one. Okay, but in rhombus, all the 4 edges are having the similar length. Now, here one point present, here one lattice point locates, here one locates, here locates, as well as here also one point locates. Okay, where I have kept chalk piece. At that point also one space lattice means lattice point presents. Understand? So 2 types of these type of unit cells are called as centered unit cell. What we call it as centered unit cell. Understand? So unit cells basically divided into 2 types. The first one is primitive or simple unit cell. Second one is called as centered unit cell. Understand? These centered unit cell again divided into body centered, face centered and end centered. By drawing one cubic unit cell, I am going to explain what is primitive unit cell, what is body centered unit cell, what is centered unit, face centered, and what is end centered unit cell. So basically what is, I am going to conclude by 2 points, that is unit cells are divided into 2 types. One is primitive unit cell, another one is centered unit cell. Primitive unit cell means the corner of the unit cells. The lattice points means particles of the crystal present. Whereas in centered unit cell as well as the corner of the unit cell, the lattice points present, as well as in the middle of the unit cells lattice point present or constituent particle of the solid present. So basically 2 types. One is primitive simple, another one is centered unit cell. Now let's we go. These unit cells are divided into 7 types. So in your textbook given 7 types before only, but let me see different types of unit cell, then we go to the different 7 types of unit cell. Now see, if we take cubic, do you know cuboid structure? Means what is the cuboid structure? All the length, height, breadth are with equal length. It is a three-dimensional structure. Here means like this cuboid structure, but here in this is rectangular. Okay, but if this four length are become equal, then it will become cuboid. Understand? So you consider it as a cuboid. Now what happens? I am going to draw here. This is the unit cell. Okay, cuboid unit cell. Now understand? So this is the cuboid unit cell. Now see here, how many corners are there? Corner 1. Okay. See here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means there are 8 corners present in simple cubic unit cell. If we consider it as unit cell, 1 corner, 2, 3, 4, and back side 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 corners. Okay, in 8 corners, 8 atoms are present. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 atoms are 8 particles are 8 ions are 8 molecules according to the types of the crystal. There is no need to be considered as only atoms. Okay, I am taking example as atom. So 8 corners, 8 atoms present. This is a cubic unit cell, simple cubic unit cell. Why we are calling it as simple cubic unit cell means the lattice points. Okay, the constituent particles locates only on the edges of the unit cell, not on the middle or not on the surface. If we consider as these are the corners and this is the surface, not on the surface, not in between the means middle of the space, the empty space of the unit cell means inside. Only the points are located on the corner. So such a unit cell is called as what we call primitive or simple unit cell. Now, what is centered unit cell? Centered unit cell means now see here. There are 8 corners 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On 8 corners, 8 atoms present. They touch with one another. Understand? In simple, but here they won't touch. Okay, later we will explain detailedly. 8 corners, 8 atoms, as well as middle one atom. Understand? Middle is one atom present. Such unit cell is called as centered. It is a centered unit cell. In centered unit cell, it is the center of body. The unit cell which present in center position is what? The center position is not face centered. It is in the body center, means the unit cell, the lattice point not present on this face. In between, in empty space of this no, in between, middle of the space it presents. That is means we call it as body centered. Body centered. Understand? What is this one is? Simple. Simple or primitive. Primitive. Now this is simple means on corner only the lattice points are located, are particles of the crystal locates, whereas particles of the crystals are the lattice points locates as well as in corner and in the middle of the unit cell, that is called as body center. Now what is face centered? Face centered means, see here, carefully listen, I am going to draw here. Now see here, these are 8 corners, 8 atoms, understand? 8 corners, 8 atoms, and how many faces are there? This is the face number 1, back face number 2, up face number 3, face number 4, face number 5, face number 6, understand? Now see here, this is 1 face, 2 face, 3 face, 4, 5, 6 faces. 1 face, quite opposite. Second face, up. Third face, down. Fourth face, fifth face, sixth face. Like that. If we keep first face, second face, third face, fourth face, fifth face, sixth face. There are 6 faces are there. Now see here, on this face, this is front face, so 1 atom present, and back space another atom present, and this face 1 atom present, this face another atom, and this face 1 atom, and this face another atom. Middle of the face means 1 atom present here, 1 atom present here, 1 atom present here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. In all 6 faces, middle of the faces, remember carefully, 1 atom presents, understand? So such a unit cell is called as, it is a centered unit cell, because it is not a simple or it is not a primitive. Why? When we consider simple or primitive, when there is the lattice points locates on the corner of the unit cell only. But here what? The unit cell, in this unit cell, the corner 8 atoms present as well as 6 atoms present on the middle of the 6 faces. 6 atoms present on the middle of the 6 faces. Such unit cell is called as face centered. Why we call them face centered? Because the atoms locates on the 6 faces, the middle of the 6 faces, not on the faces, on the middle of the faces. And another centered unit cell, these are simple unit cell, these 2 are centered. In centered unit cell, this is body centered unit cell, this is face centered unit cell. Now another one is in centered unit cell. See, 8 corner, 8 atoms, and any 2 face means on this face, middle of this face 1 atom present, and quite opposite of this face is bottom. This is top, this is bottom. Okay, so bottom of another atom present. No need to the top and bottom. It may be both sides. 1 atom may be here, or quite opposite side, 1 atom may be here. But only the space point means lattice point presents, locates on the either of the opposite sides. Means, see here, the lattice points may be middle of this face, or what is the opposite of this face? This bottom. So these are quite opposite faces now, up and means top and bottom. So 1 point here, middle of this face, another point middle of this face. Or what is, you may take this face, quite opposite face is this back side. So here 1 point, middle of this face 1 point may be present, quite opposite another point here, means 2 constituent hydrogen particle or two lattice points are present on the opposite sides. Only two sides means only two faces, not all the six faces. Any two faces. When we take any two faces, opposite faces, those faces must be opposite faces. When we take this cubic structure, see, on the lattice points are present on the middle of the face of opposite faces. Okay, the lattice point present on the opposite faces of middle of the opposite faces. So such a centered unit cell is called as end centered. What we call it as end centered unit cell. Now basically we have learned two types of unit cell. One is simple unit cell, means all only the lattice points locates corner. Now body centered means additional to the corners, in between or on the surface the atom presents, then we call it as body centered. There are three types of centered unit cell, that is body centered unit cell, face centered unit cell and end centered unit cell. These are the types of the unit cell, basically divided into two types. Have you understand face centered? The points means the lattice points locate on the two of the faces. Those faces are opposite to one another. Only two faces, not 3, 4. If you take these two faces, or you may take these two faces, or you may take these two faces, but you have to take only two faces. Okay, on the opposite faces, 2 point, middle of these faces, 2 point locate. Such type of centered unit cell is called as end centered. On 6 faces, 6 middle of these faces, 6 atom present, as well as on the 8 corner, 8 atom present. So we call it as face centered. And this is body centered. Only middle of the empty space, 1 atom present, and 8 corner, 8 atom present. This is called as body centered, and this is simple or primitive. Okay, very important. This is very basic for your information. If you don't understand this one, it is very difficult to proceed further topics. Clearly see the video, you can understand easily.